Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And after a great deal of taping, tightening, untightening, unscrewing, screwing back on, I've managed to get this to work after a fashion. I put a nut underneath. I gotta get better tape, but it holds the camera in, and I can see out of it. I may have to turn the camera slightly away from the lens because it flares out the whole lens. I can't see what I'm filming. So I'll probably have to turn this to the right, but it's on there. So I can see the screen, and I'll be able to take this outside and hold it in my hand and film something. I'll see if I have some duct tape or something better than Scotch tape. But I got this thing to stop sliding down this way, and I'll have to do a video. Let's do a video. Let's see what happens. That place is such a mess. I'll go outside and try a video when I go out to feed the cats, and maybe do a Christmas decoration video or something, and see what happens. And then, this has a screw in the bottom here, so maybe I can get a selfie stick at the end of the month. I'm running out of all kinds of stuff. No mustard, no mayonnaise. Running out of toilet paper. Running out of cat box cleaners. I'm not sure what this is. This must be for some foreign outlet, like Europe or Japan or Asia or something. And so I tried taking this off the bicycle thing. That didn't work. I lost the screw for this. So, but the battery's charging, so at least I'll have battery power. And let me shut this off. So now I can go out like this, film the kitties or whatever, hold on to this as long as the tape holds out. And then, because if I don't, this camera will move. And I won't be able to, so I'll rig something up. I might find some way to glue something onto this, like a piece of styrofoam or something, just to hold up long enough to be able to film. All right, but at least I rigged something up. Give me enough time, I can figure out how to do this. Of course, this is supposed to go on a real, like 35mm camera, but given the budgetary constraints that I have and the technical knowledge and the photographic knowledge of cameras, I know Polaroid, that's about it. Thank God, what the hell happened to my toe? I've got something, I think I may have dropped something on my toe again. It's green. All kinds of weird stuff happening. All right, anyway. The other battery's charging, so in the charger behind the fan. So I'll have one battery fully charged. I don't know how long it takes to charge this, probably a couple of hours. Let's see. They give you no information on how long it takes to charge this. And the thing that amused me on this one, it says, well, one side's in Japanese. Adapter notice, before using, make sure the voltage. 5 amps, 125 volts, 250 volts. But what this is, if someone's from another country, would you please tell me what this is? The way to electrocute yourself? Damn. I don't know. It has a plug, but what do you, I guess the travel adapter or something. I have no idea. I haven't seen one of those in 50 years. And what this little Sony thing is, I have no idea either. I don't want to open it up. Maybe I'll sell on eBay for $1 or something. I don't know. All right. At least I got it working. So I'll be able to go out and film Orangey or Mama Cat and Kitten or something outside or Christmas decorations. I'll go out when it gets dark and go try this. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. 3:27. It took me that long to get this thing jury rigged. this small nut so I can get it to work. And then I'm going to have to get a selfie stick and or a tripod maybe to do this. But at least I won't have to hold onto the camera by itself. I'll have a working camera light. And then, my goal is to get my iPad repaired, or new iPad, with donations, please. George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553, or Falky2013 at gmail.com for PayPal. And please, no 1 cent donations. That's incredibly tacky and kind of mean to the kitties. For the cats, you send me a penny. That's all right. Keep sending me pennies. I'll just build up to hits multiple numbers of dollars, and you can keep paying 1 cent. But it's still not the right thing to do. I don't mind the donation, but 1 cent is like that's something insulting, and something someone who really doesn't like kitties would do. Because if you really cared for kitties, you'd give at least $1. All right. Have a great afternoon, a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and hope you're dry and warm. Back east, major snowstorm to hit New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania. I think that's it. That's going to hit tomorrow, and we're going to get another storm here on Thursday. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now, as I ever go on trying to get poverty improvements to a money challenge channel. What was the phrase CR used? Wasn't low tech. It was something about in the background. I'm going to have to ask him about that, what he said. He said something to me on the phone, and he said, people think you're just ranting. When I'm not, I hate the term rant, but they see you not being, high tech in the background, and they don't watch the videos. And he said your videos are very useful at times and fun to watch. So thank you, CR. All right, bye-bye for now.